everyone, this is Ferdi from the Ariel's Kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you how to make corn casserole. So first, the basic ingredient we need the cream cheese is 250 times 2 depending on how much do you want to make or how cheesy it will be, and then 500 grams of corn, which I have already split into two. The one is for the casserole and the one is for the cream corn. Then add some more cheese, the shredded cheese, which is to any your liking, and 100 ml of cream, the thick cream, that will be much more rich and nicer, and salt, pepper to taste. The black pepper will be nice, and just one small of brown onion, and just slice it roughly, and one zucchini also thinly sliced. You can see just like this thin, because it will cook very quickly and much faster. And some jalapeno. This is just optional. If you like it to be spicy, then you can have it. And some parsley for garnish, and a teaspoon of sugar. Then you're gonna start with the cream corn. So to make the cream corn, you need the pot, and then you're gonna need some butter in it. I guess like 3 spoons of butter will be enough. Then you're gonna need the onion, of the brown onion to be in here. You're gonna saute the brown onion. Then after the brown onion got sauteed, you can add the half of the corn followed by the cream, and you're gonna cook it approximately 10 minutes or until the sauce get thickened. And we're gonna continue in the next step after that. The next step is, after you're done making the cream corn, which is like this, it will be very thick, then you can just put in a mixing bowl all of them like that, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and 500 grams of cream cheese, the rest half of the corn, which is 250 grams, the shredded cheese, and the zucchini. So now you have to mix it well, and I'll show you in the next step. After we finish mixing in the mixing bowl all those ingredients, we transfer it in a baking dish like this sort of things, and it's better to be flat because it will cook faster. Then you're gonna bake it in oven roughly for 15 minutes to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is turns golden brown. So now it's almost done. Then we put the jalapeno all over it for toppings. Then some more black pepper. Then we're gonna put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. So it's done. It looks beautiful. It got some nice coloring here for the cheese. Then we just need to add some parsley for the final touch, the garnish. Spread it all across, make it all looks natural. It's done.
Use both?
Yeah, 500 grams. Half kilo. Half kilo of cheese.
Alright.
Do I look fat?
Of course not. Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Ice cream!